Hello and welcome to the Madhouse with you boy Jesse. I am an American man who now calls the beautiful Philippines my home, and I am here to be your friendly guide. I absolutely love to travel. I cherish my faith. I believe in simple life tips that make everything just a little bit easier. This essay is going to be your personal playbook for traveling through these incredible islands without all the usual stress and worry. I will speak to you in plain, simple English. Think of me as your teacher for this lesson, but a cool teacher who might crack a joke or two. This is going to be part friendly checklist, part pep talk, designed to get you ready for an amazing adventure. You can even use this guide as a script for a faceless video, maybe with some awesome stock footage and a narrator with a slow, smooth southern accent. So, why should you even consider traveling here? Well, let me tell you, the Philippines is a treasure trove of wonder. It is a nation made up of over 7,000 islands, and it feels like every single one of them has a postcard-perfect view waiting for you. The food here is absolutely delicious, a wonderful mix of sweet, sour, and savory that will make your taste buds dance. The people are some of the kindest and most welcoming folks you will ever meet. The beaches are world-class with white sand and crystal-clear water. The cities are vibrant and full of energy, buzzing with life day and night. It is a place where you can have a 5-star vacation or a budget-friendly backpacking trip. You can choose to travel slowly, really soaking in the culture of one or two places, or you can move a little faster, hopping from one island to the next to see as much as you can. But here is the secret, friends: a bad plan, or no plan at all, is the fastest way to turn a dream trip into a stressful nightmare. It can lead to missed flights, sold-out ferries. The absolute first step to a stress-free trip is to plan like a calm and collected teacher. The biggest mistake travelers make is trying to do too much. Start by picking your must-see places. Don't rush to see all 7,000 islands in one go. You'll end up exhausted. For a typical 10-day trip, choose just 3, or maybe 4. That gives you time to relax and actually enjoy each location. Get a map out, a real one, or a digital one. Look at the geography and make short, logical travel legs. Avoid backtracking and wasting time on long, grueling travel days. Be smart with your time. Once your destinations are picked, book a few things. Book the first 2 nights of accommodation in each place. That gives you a secure place to land and drop your bags. You won't be scrambling for a room on arrival. It also lets you extend your stay if you fall in love with a place, or move on if it's not your vibe. Build a buffer day into your itinerary. Use it for bad weather, or for a delayed ferry, or to rest and recharge. Now, logistics. Before packing, check ferry schedules. Check flight schedules. Small islands have limited services. Know the times. Check a calendar for local holidays. Festivals can upend your plans. National holidays can too, causing sold-out transport and higher prices. When you land in the Philippines, buy a local SIM card at the airport. Data for navigation like Google Maps is essential. Finally, have a paper backup. Print one simple, one-page travel plan. Include flight details, include hotel addresses, include key contact numbers. Phones can run out, get lost, or break. That single page is a lifesaver when tech fails. All right, let's talk about packing. My number 1 rule: pack light and pack smart. If you can manage your entire trip with just one carry-on bag, you will be a travel champion. Hauling a giant, heavy suitcase around the Philippines is no fun at all. Lifting it onto boats, dragging it down sandy paths, trying to fit it into small tricycle taxis. A carry-on bag gives you freedom and mobility. It forces you to bring only what you truly need. Always less than you think. This simple choice reduces your physical and mental burden from the moment you leave. Your back and your sanity will thank you for it. So, what goes into this magical carry-on bag? Clothes for both hot weather and occasional rain. Lightweight shirts, shorts, maybe one pair of light trousers. The material is key. Quick-drying fabrics are your best friend here. For your feet, you only need 2 pairs of shoes. Comfy flip-flops and sturdy closed-toe shoes or sandals. A light rain jacket is an absolute must-have. Even in the dry season, a shower can pop up, and that jacket will be worth its weight in gold. Bring sunscreen, a wide-brimmed hat, a basic first aid kit, and a power bank. Let's talk about money, because knowing how to handle your cash can make or break your trip. Here in the Philippines, cash is still king, especially once you get outside of the major cities. Many small stores, local restaurants, tricycle drivers, so you will need to have Philippine pesos on hand. Get some cash as soon as you arrive. Exchange a small amount for taxi or your first meal, or use an ATM for a better rate from a reputable bank. Before you leave home, call your bank and your credit card company. Tell them your travel dates so fraud systems do not block your card. Bring at least 2 different bank cards and keep them in separate places. Keep a tiny emergency stash, maybe 50 or 100 US dollars, hidden away, not for coffee, for real emergencies. Familiarize yourself with what real peso bills look and feel like. For daily spending, use a money belt or a secure inner pocket, especially in crowds. In big cities and larger hotels, resorts, and malls, cards are convenient. Just watch for foreign transaction fees. Best approach: cash for small expenses, cards for larger ones. Stay flexible, stay ready. Island hopping is really a must. Getting around the Philippines is an adventure in itself. It is a key part of the experience. The country is an archipelago, a big group of islands. You will be using a mix of planes, boats, and wheels. For long distances like Manila to Cebu, flying is the fastest and most practical option. Compare prices and times and book domestic flights in advance to save money and ensure a seat. For neighboring islands, ferries are the lifeblood. Some of your most scenic views will be from the deck. There are large, comfortable ferries for major routes and smaller bangkas for short hops. In busy season, December to May, book ferry tickets a day or 2 in advance. Popular routes sell out. Ask locals or your hotel which companies are most reliable. They have the freshest info. Between towns, aircon vans and local buses work great, though crowds happen. For short hops to a beach or market, take a tricycle, a motorcycle with a sidecar, perfect for solo travelers. Try a jeepney at least once, a colorful shared ride on fixed routes, a true cultural experience. Quick tip: for private rides, agree on the price before you start. In big cities, use Grab for fixed fares. In small towns, ask your host for advice. Now, let's have a serious but important chat about safety and health. The Philippines is, for the most part, very safe, and Filipinos are known for hospitality. Use common sense. Petty theft happens, so do not be an easy target. Avoid flashy jewelry, large wads of cash, or flaunting the latest smartphone. Keep your wallet in a front pocket or a secure bag. Be extra aware in markets and on public transport. Use your hotel safe. Store your passport, extra cash, and electronics you do not need for the day. It buys peace of mind. Carry only what you need and lock the rest up. Let's switch to health. Your body needs to adjust. Be careful with water. Stick to bottled or purified, even for brushing if you are sensitive. Street food is amazing. Choose busy stalls with fresh, hot food. Sun and heat are strong. Hydrate. Wear sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses. Be cautious when hiking and swimming. Respect local signs and warnings. Share your travel plan with someone back home. Let them know where you will be and when. Yeah, that really helps. One of the greatest joys of traveling in the Philippines is diving headfirst into the local food and culture. Try classics like adobo and sinigang, and do not miss the fresh seafood. Eat where locals eat. Carinderias and turo-turo are affordable and delicious. Ask questions. Say, hindi maanghang for mild. Folks are happy to help. Learn a few Filipino words. Salamat, magandang umaga, and use po or opo with elders. As a man of faith, connecting with the local Catholic community is grounding. Churches are beautiful spaces for quiet reflection. Dress modestly at religious sites, cover shoulders and knees, and be quiet during services. Now, your mindset. Travel with a calm heart and an open mind. Expect surprises. Buses might be late, boats canceled, and that's okay. Breathe and smile. Wrong jeepney? Other side of town? That's a story you'll tell for years. Rooster at 4 a.m.? Your authentic island alarm clock. Faith keeps me grateful. Find local mass times, say a short prayer before the bus or boat. Final checklist. Paper passport copy, 1-page plan, SIM, power bank, cables, adapter, cash plus 2 cards, rain jacket, hat, sunblock, first aid, offline maps, and a few Filipino words. Try one tip on your next trip. If this helped, share it with a friend, subscribe for more travel and faith, and leave a comment. Which islands are on your bucket list? Plan well and keep a calm heart. Keep a light heart and a careful plan. You will have the time of your life.